All right, it's January, which means New Year's resolutions. And a lot of times people put down exercise as one of their resolutions. And of course, we want your core to be part of that resolution. So we're going to give you some core exercises that you can do in the morning that take 60 seconds or less. So the first one is the plank with taps. And what that looks like is you're going to get into the plank position. You're going to tighten your buttocks and your core. And you're going to take the arm and you're going to touch the other shoulder and you're going to go back and forth. And you're going to do that for 20 seconds. And then from there you're going to move right into the bicycle crunches. And what the bicycle crunches look like is you're going to actually lie on your back and then you're going to lift your legs up and then you're going to touch the opposite arm to the opposite knee and you're going to go back and forth with that exercise. That also is a 20-second exercise. And to finish off the 60 seconds, we're going to do the dead bug. And so the dead bug is going to be your arms and legs up in the air, and you're going to touch opposite arm to opposite knee, back and forth. And half the battle here, we say 60 seconds or less, is just getting you down on the floor and doing it. So if you can do 3 rounds of this for 3 minutes, you've got your core done for the morning. And it really is about greasing the groove and then building on it each day. So it doesn't take a lot of time, but over a year's time, it makes a huge difference. All right, enjoy.